Agni House. And the third rank goes to Mataloko from Agni House.
Grade 3 boys, the inline event 400 meters. The first prize is bagged by Arush Tegulkar from Prithia. Second prize is bagged by Rajvin Kumar from Abihar. Third position is taken by Lovin Kabra from Prithia.
Dear students, whatever certificates and medals you have got, you shall lose them. It is your responsibility. So handle them carefully. Whatever.
The same students have got the position for 100 meters and Arush Tegulkar from Prithia. The next, we move on to the skating competition and category girls, grade from Akasha.
Second position is bagged by Shubha Chaudhary from Trishula.
The third position is taken by Reema Zebrani from Abihar.
Congratulations, all winners.
Category girls, grade 3, Eva Abizada from Akasha. Second position is taken by Shubha Chaudhary from Trishula. And third by Reema Zebrani from Abihar. Congratulations!
And after this, we are having from Akasha. Second round goes to Swanat Nikita from Trishula. And the third round goes to Priya
Rudmainai from Akasha. Grade 3, girls category, inline 500 meters. The winners are Anvizada Akasha.
After second position from Akasha.
Janaki
And now the results of inter-house skating competition. Boys category event 400 meters and the winners are Vansh Kire as shown first from Akash House.
Second position is taken by Sarang Kalkutti from Akasha.
And it's been backed by Arya Nasikani from Agni House. Congratulations all the winners.
Category Grade 3 400 meters. The first position is backed by Anna Gandhi from Prithvi House. Second position is taken by Bela Saman from Akash House.
And the final Ritika Chaudhary from Agni House. And the next event, taken meters, and the winners are first rank is backed by Swaraj Patil from Trishul House. Second position is backed by Vivan Bansali from Trishul House. And third rank is backed by other professional house, Arish Kali. Swaraj Patil, Vivan Bansali and Arish Kali, all three from Trishul House. And the next event, boys category, 800 meters squad, and the winners are
The first position from Trishula. Vivan Bansali stood second from Trishula. And the third position is backed by Riyaj Margaon from Akasha.
second position is backed by Swaraj Patil, again from Trishul House. And the third rank is backed by Virat Chandwani from Akash House. Congratulations all the winners.
The next last model who got the first position from Trishula.
Pay attention here.
So today we have completed half of the award. The further awards for skating competition. Grade 4 girls, then grade 4 boys, as well as girls 400 meters, then skating competition for grade 5 boys 400 meters, as well as 800 meters for boys and girls. Then skating competition again for grade 5 boys 400 meters squad, 800 meters squad, as well as girls in the girls category. All these events, these prizes will be given on Thursday. Okay, as well as all the swimming prizes will also be awarded on Thursday.
Your certificates as well as medals. So handle your certificate and medals carefully. The one who have got certificates and medals, handle that carefully. If they get lost or torn, school will not be responsible for them. Thank you.